The 21-year-old Bayern Munich star preferred Manchester United instead of Liverpool. Manchester United and Liverpool have reactivated their pursuit of signing Bayern Munich midfielder Ryan Gravenberch. According to Foot Mercato, Manchester United have reactivated their pursuit of signing Bayern Munich star Ryan Gravenberch this summer amid rumors stating the player's preference to join the Old Trafford outfit over Liverpool. The Dutch midfielder has been on the transfer market for quite some time. His lack of game time with the German giants has been one of the major reasons behind such developments popping up in this transfer window. The 21-year-old moved from Ajax to the Bundesliga champions in 2020. However, during his first season with the club, he only played for a total of 937 minutes in all competitions. In a recent German Super Cup match, Gravenberch was listed as a substitute but didn't get to play. While playing at Ajax, the Dutch midfielder was highly sought after and considered one of the top young talents. He was incorporated into the team by manager Ten Hag. However, his performance at Bayern has not lived up to his earlier successes, mainly due to his lack of consistent playing time. In the previous season, he didn't get much time to show his worth in the Bundesliga. His situation doesn't seem likely to improve this season either, as he's facing competition from Joshua Kimmich, Leon Goretzka, and Konrad Laimer for the two midfield spots. According to The Sun, Ten Hag spoke to Gravenberch on the phone and persuaded him to come to Manchester. Seeing the Dutch midfielder being linked to Man United isn't surprising considering his past connections with Ten Hag, who played a significant role in his early development. Gravenberch is a strong midfielder and in his age bracket, he is still one of the best. Ten Hag on hunt for another striker in fourth summer signing. Ten Hag is reportedly asking the Manchester United board for another striker signing. The Red Devils bolstered their frontline with the addition of Rasmus Højlund this summer, but the youngster will not feature until September due to a back injury. This leaves Anthony Martial and Marcus Rashford as the only options to lead the line, though the latter would be playing out of position as he prefers to be deployed on the left flank. As for Martial, his injury record leaves a lot to be desired. He started only 11 Premier League matches last season and made a total of 6 starts in the remaining 3 competitions. Reporter Jock Talbot confirmed that the Dutch manager is on the lookout for another forward over the remaining weeks of the window. Ten Hag's stance on Dean Henderson's Man United future. According to Sky Sports, Manchester United goalkeeper Dean Henderson won't be leaving the club this summer, as Ten Hag still considers him in his plans. During this summer's transfer window, the Red Devils have been actively engaged in bolstering their squad with high-quality players. In addition to new arrivals, the need to sell some players remains essential to maintaining financial balance and preventing overcrowding in the team. Henderson was expected to be one of the players departing, given his desire for consistent playing time. He had the chance to gain regular minutes at Nottingham Forest last season, even with discussions about a permanent transfer underway. Nevertheless, the English star's frustrations might not be resolved as initially expected. With Tom Heaton sustaining an injury, it has been stated that Henderson could be compelled to stay at Man United for the time being. It has been stated that Ten Hag has no intention to sell the 26-year-old shotstopper this summer amid squad issues. Forest had considered bringing back Henderson for a second successive season on loan, but the United manager intends to retain the English goalkeeper. Ideally, the fans will hope that Heaton's injury isn't severe and that Henderson's move can be approved before the end of this month. Fulham mull over pursuit of outcast Manchester United defender. Fulham are reportedly interested in Manchester United's Eric Bailly, as per Mail Sport. The defender is expected to leave Old Trafford this summer, and the club made that clear when he was omitted from the provisional squad number list, with his no 3 nowhere to be seen despite still being a registered member of the side. He has garnered interest from Saudi Arabia and Turkey in the form of Besiktas, but could now stay in the English top flight after Fulham approached the Red Devils over Bailey's availability. The London club are in the process of overseeing Alexander Mitrovic's departure to Al Hilal, so the funds they recuperate will be put to good use in bolstering Marco Silva's options. Bailey, 29, has suffered an injury-plagued career since arriving at Old Trafford in 2016 and now falls behind the likes of Rafael Varane, Lisandro Martinez, Victor Lindelof, Harry Maguire, and even Luke Shaw in the pecking order. Manchester United legend on Bayern Munich radar following Old Trafford exit. Bayern Munich have former Manchester United shot-stopper David De Gea as an alternative on their shortlist this summer, according to Sky Sport reporter Florian Plettenberg on Twitter. A few weeks back, the Spaniard was not one of the names that was being considered heavily by the Bavarians. However, after missing out on Chelsea's Kepa Arrizabalaga, who has joined Real Madrid on loan, the Bundesliga giants got in touch with the 32-year-old. De Gea is open to a move to the Allianz Arena side in the ongoing transfer window. Thomas Tuchel's team will not have any difficulty accepting personal terms with the veteran goalkeeper. However, Manchester City shot-stopper Stefan Ortega is Bayern's priority at the moment. The Bavarians are interested in acquiring the services of the Sky Blues number 2. But if the German outfit are unable to get a deal done for the 30-year-old, then the ex-Red Devil could be finalized by them. United had signed De Gea in the summer of 2011 from Atletico Madrid. Over the years, the veteran goalkeeper established himself as one of the best in between the sticks. Unfortunately, the Spaniard had a difficult period for a few years in between at the Old Trafford side. Last season, while he was Erik Ten Hag's first choice, the shot-stopper left a lot to be desired at times. Manchester United target Sofyan Amrabat now seems convinced to accept Liverpool move. Fiorentina midfielder Sofyan Amrabat has opened the door to joining Liverpool this summer amid interest from Manchester United, Corriere dello Sport claim. The Red Devils have identified the Moroccan as a top target to bolster the defensive midfield department, but they are yet to make a formal approach for his services.